बाप्पा जसा आपल्या सगळ्यांचा लाडका, तसं आणखी एक व्यक्तिमत्व आपल्याला पिढ्यानपिढ्या भुरळ घालत आलंय, मनाला मोहवत आलंय, आणि ते म्हणजे भगवान श्रीकृष्ण.
बरोबर. श्रीकृष्ण याने फक्त आपल्या लाडका शिष्य अर्जुन यालाच फक्त आपल्या संभ्रमातून दूर नाही केले, तर समस्त मानवजातीला त्यांनी आपल्या मार्गदर्शनाने, आपल्या भगवद्गीतेने एक मार्गदर्शन दिले. त्याच भगवद्गीतेतील काही श्लोक आता पुढे येणार आहेत.
भगवद्गीता ही आपल्याला कसं जगायचं हे शिकवते, आणि म्हणूनच भगवद्गीता लहानपणापासूनच समजण्याचा, वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. आमच्या या लहानग्यांनी हा प्रयत्न खूप लहान वयातच सुरू केलेला आहे. भगवद्गीतेमध्ये एकंदर 18 श्लोक आणि 18 अध्याय आणि 700 श्लोक आहेत. तर त्यापैकी प्रत्येक अध्यायातला एक श्लोक तुमच्यासमोर म्हणून त्याचं स्पष्टीकरण देण्यासाठी येत आहेत आमचे 6 छोटे शिलेदार.
त्यांचे नाव आहे श्लोक टेकाळे, प्रभास माळी, सिया पाटील, शिवांश हरकल, प्रेम चिकोडी आणि जीवस पाटील. सो जोरदार टाळ्यांनी त्यांचे स्वागत होऊन जाऊ द्या.
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः धृतराष्ट्रोवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवाः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम कुर्मः संजय.
अध्याय पहिला. ओम नकांक्षय विजयन कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किन्नो राज्येन गोविंद किन्वो गैरजीवितेन वा. Summary. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjun saw all of his relatives, gurus and friends, his mind filled with sorrow and compassion. He puts down his bow and arrow and politely denies to fight the war to gain his kingdom.
अध्याय दुसरा. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि. Looking at the confused state of Arjuna, Lord Krishna comes to his rescue. He explains that our physical body is just a carrier. The Atma within neither dies nor is born. Hence, one should do their duty without worrying about the outcome.
अध्याय तीसरा. नियतं कुरु कर्मत्वं कर्मजायो कर्मणः शरीरे यात्रा पिचते न प्रसिद्धेन कर्मणः. Lord Krishna further explains that we should perform our karma selflessly for the betterment of society. These are one of the only paths to true peace and happiness. He also calls such a person a karma yogi.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Summary. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that he comes on earth from time to time when bad things are on the rise to set things straight. There are 2 paths that lead to God, the path of selfless service and the path of self-knowledge, which leads to renunciation.
अध्याय 5. संन्यासः कर्मयोगस्य निःश्रेयसः करावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते. Lord Krishna considers path of selfless service to humanity without attachment to its result as the best path for most people. Sannyasa does not mean living worldly, it means not being attached to it.
अध्याय 6. युञ्जुन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते. Summary. Another path to God is through meditation. Meditation helps us achieve control over our minds, senses and desires. Such a person is a true yogi and treats everyone equally.
अध्याय 7. अध्याय 7. रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशिसूर्ययोः प्रणव सर्ववेदेषु शब्दखे पौरुषं दृषु. Summary. Way for the knowledge is to realize that God is everywhere and in everything. There is only one God called by different names.
अध्याय 8. ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति तजन्देहं स यति परमां गतिम्. This adhyay teaches us that we should form the habit of remembering God before taking our food.
अध्याय 9. मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो मत्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैश्यसि युक्त्वैवम् आत्मना मत्परायणः. The path of self-knowledge means that the Lord cares for all of his devotees who worship him with strong devotion and faith. Therefore we should always remember the Lord.
अध्याय 10. अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशे स्थितः अहमादिशमध्यं च भूतानामन्ते एव च. Summary. Lord Krishna further tells that he is present everywhere. He is the origin of all beings and is
रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहो रूपवादं बहुधरं बहुदंश्वाकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोकप्रविदितास्तताहम्. A summary. Being the curious disciple, Arjuna asks if he can actually see him. Lord Krishna grants Divya Drishti to Arjuna, and Arjuna is able to see various forms of Lord Krishna, and he is awestruck.
अध्याय 12. अनपेक्षा शुचिरदक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यतः सर्वारंभ परित्यागी यो मदभक्त समः. Summary. Lord Krishna says that the people who worship me with extreme faith and complete devotion are very dear to me.
अध्याय 13. क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोरेव मंतरं ज्ञानचक्षुषा भूत प्रकृति मोक्षं च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम. Summary. We can't know God by mind or intellect. He can only be known by faith and belief. The same God lives in the body of all human beings to support us and help us. That is why we must not hurt anybody and treat everyone equally.
अध्याय 14. कर्मणः सुकृतस्याहुः सात्विकं निर्मलं फलं रजसस्तु फलं दुःखं मज्ञानं तमसः फलम्. There are 3 gunas or modes. The mode of goodness, sattva, which give us peace and happiness. The mode of passion, rajas, which makes us greedy, and the mode of ignorance, tamas, which makes us lazy and we cannot tell the difference between right or wrong.
अध्याय 15. अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनं देवमाश्रिताः प्राणपानसमायुक्ता पाचमेन्यं चतुर्विधम्. Lord Krishna says that we should have the qualities of being honest, calm, forgiving, and forgiving. These qualities lead us closer to God. We should avoid being angry, jealous, jealous, and selfish. These qualities lead us to do bad things.
16th अध्याय यशास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारता न स सिद्धिमवाप्नोति न सुखं न पराङ्गतिं. Summary. There are two types of human beings, the good of Durin and the bad of demons. Most people have good and bad qualities. Both getting rid of bad habits and cultivating good habits are necessary for spiritual knowledge.
अध्याय 17 अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियतं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यासनं चैव वाङ्मयं तद् उच्यते. There are three types of food: sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic. They affect our well-being. Try to consume healthy food, which will bring long life, virtue, health, and happiness.
अध्याय 18. सर्वधर्मान् परित्याज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. Summary. Lord Krishna concludes that by saying we must do our duty in the best possible way and gladly accept His will. This is called surrendering to God or giving up the ego, which is the ultimate path to liberation.
यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्ण यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीविजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम. ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो नाम 18.